you face this problem on your uh, Subway Surf app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Subway Surf app, just click on search, then here add Subway Surf, so just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on force stop, then you click here on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, then you come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to, you go to your Play Store, you click here on Play Store, then you search for Subway Surf app. It's going to show for you like this. You will click here on update, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.